Now, the next thing we have is our tip of the week. Tip of the week. The tip of the week today is going to be clean or replace your air conditioner drain pan hose. So lots of times I go into homes and I find furnaces that have all kinds of rusting and water damage and stuff because the drain pan underneath your air conditioner in your basement gets clogged up and it overflows and causes all kinds of damage to your furnace. And I mean, a furnace, you guys, is not meant to be submerged or have water on it. So if you're running water down the side of it because this pan is overflowing, you're going to cause damage to your furnace pretty quickly. And a replacement furnace, $6,000 to $8,000 these days, it's expensive, and it can be very preventable. So coming out of your furnace, there's going to be a hose or a tube. So most of the time, it's going to be a clear hose of some kind going down and leading to the floor drain. This is where the drainage from the condensation in your air conditioner or from your high efficiency furnace is going to drain down through that tube, go into the floor drain, and drain away. All right. If that tube is blocked at all, okay, or kinked or pinched or has something set on it, the water's going to back up into that pan and flow over and go onto your furnace, causing electrical problems, causing rusting on the inside, causing rust in your heat exchanger, all kinds of issues. To replace that hose is not very expensive. You can go to your local Ace Hardware. You can go to your local True Value. I don't know that they would sell that stuff at Home Depot, like clear tubing and stuff. Probably not.
They might have it in the plumbing section. Maybe. I don't know for sure.
Yeah, you might have to buy those.
Might not have the right size though.
Yeah,
and that'd be the other issue.
Yep. Replacing that tube is probably the best way to go. The condensate constantly running through there will leave this boogery layer in there that will eventually build up and block that hose, and it's just a neglect thing. If you don't want to buy a new hose and you're a cheapskate, then you could take that hose out and run hot water through it for a long time, and it'll eventually clean all the boogers and everything out of there. But when you do that, you also have to clean the nozzle or the tip that's coming out of the drain pan. Otherwise, that can build up as well. Some of them do have CPVC or PVC as their drain tubes. Those, again, you can clean with hot water. Okay, you just got to run a bunch of hot water through there. Otherwise, they do make, just like cleaning a gun, they can get those little brushes that you stick through there and just pull that thing right through there, and that'll clean the whole inside of that pipe. That would be an option as well. But either way, you got to get it clean. If you don't get it clean, it's going to cause a backup and cause damage to your furnace and premature failure. And, that's never a good thing, especially here in Wisconsin where we could have polar vortex tomorrow. I mean, You never know, so who knows? But that is your tip of the week. Hey, thanks for tuning in today, you guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to know when we put out the next one, give me a bell notification. It's a little bell on the bottom right-hand side. And subscribe. You want to know when I'm coming out with new stuff or whatever. You want to be able to check us out and be alerted to new video content coming your way. Subscribe button's really the way to go. Thanks again for tuning in, you guys. Remember, the better you take care of your house, better it's going to take care of you. Have a good one.